Remarking on cases of people being brought dead to the hospital due to comorbidities such as hypertension and diabetes, Dr. Amanwar said that many people avoid seeking medical treatment for their ailments due to fear of contracting COVID-19, which results in such fatalities. He stressed on the need for young people whose immune system is still strong to be fully aware of the fact that they could put other family members, such as children and elderly, at risk when they do not obey the guidelines given by the government. Wear a mask, practice hand hygiene, and social distancing. He also emphasized the need for people with ailments to seek immediate medical assistance to prevent any untoward incidents complicated by COVID-19.
If you have got elderly with you at home, and if you have got people with comorbidities at home, you are putting them in danger. So when you go out, you follow all the protocols strictly, because for you, young people, you're all right. But the ones who will suffer are the people in your house, small children, elderly, and people with comorbidities. So take this into consideration. But hat lam na banta ki chauki.